Shifting focus to the tragedy that's still unfolding in Maharashtra. The death toll in Pune landslide has now risen to 88, but the figures could more than double in the coming days, with more than 100 people still missing. Well, intermittent rains over the past few days has turned the site of the mudslide into a swamp, making it virtually impossible for rescue workers to locate the bodies in the slush and the mud. The debris is more than 5 meters deep in some areas, and hopes of finding survivors are increasingly grim. The search, however, will continue for another 2 days at least. Health concerns are also on the rise, with foul smell pervading the entire area and fear of infection spreading. NDRF personnel have been given masks as they carry out the rescue work.
देखिए, टीम्स तो हमारी 360 की है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया की एक टीम आई थी। कलेक्टर साहब ने बुलाया था, फिर हम लोगों ने ज्वाइंट सर्वे किया ऊपर पहाड़ियों का कि कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं हम लोग काम करते रहें और बारिश में फिर पहाड़ आ जाए। देखिए, 81 शव निकाले गए हैं, करीब 20 मवेशी निकाले गए हैं, काफ़ी वैल्यूएबल्स भी हमें मिला है, जिसमें ज्वेलरी है और कैश है। वो सारी चीज़ें हमने सिविल पुलिस को हैंडओवर की हैं।
But the danger signs in the area have not been lifted yet, with mudslides still continuing. Warning signs have been posted all over on the remaining houses in this area, cautioning the residents from moving back into these houses, asking them to stay clear of this area, at least for now. Meanwhile, efforts continue to regularize power and communication links to this devastated area. Electricity supply to Malin village was restored with the transformer and some electric poles, in fact, which have been installed. BSNL has also set up kiosks to enable round-the-clock communication for this village residents, as well as the relief and rescue personnel who've been working here around the clock. With towers having been washed away, the kiosks have been equipped now with satellite phones.